So now you have got the ionic product of water Kw. Kw is equal concentration of hydronium ion and hydroxide ion. Now experimentally it is found that at 25 degrees Celsius, the value of Kw is found to be 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. Experimentally it is found and it is measured at 25 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is different, then the value of Kw may be changed. So at 25 degrees Celsius, the value of Kw is found to be how much? 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. Experimentally it is found. And if your water is pure, for pure water, concentration of hydronium ion is always equal to the concentration of hydroxide ion. I mean the value of this and the value of this will be equal in case of pure water. So since their value is same, as you have got concentration of hydronium ion into concentration of OH minus ion, this is equal how much? 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. And if the concentration of hydronium ion and concentration of OH minus ion values are same, both the concentration are same, then you can write concentration of H2O plus is equal concentration of OH minus, this is equal, you can write 1 into 10 to the power minus 7, I mean half of this. So concentration of hydronium ion will be this much, concentration of OH minus ion will be this much. Now if concentration of hydronium ion is equal 1 into 10 to the power minus 7, then the solution is said to be a neutral solution. You know, there are some solutions which are acidic in nature, there are some solutions which are basic in nature, and there are some solutions which are acidic in nature. So whether the solution will be acidic, basic or neutral, it mainly depends on the concentration of hydronium ion. In the solution, if the concentration of hydronium ion is 1 into 10 to the power minus 7, if you get this much concentration, that type of solution always become neutral solution. I mean it is not acidic, neither acidic nor basic. Similarly, if the concentration of hydronium ion is greater than 1 into 10 to the power minus 7, then the solution is said to be acidic in nature. So based on the value of concentration of hydronium ion, you can find out whether a solution is acidic, basic or neutral. Similarly, if concentration of hydronium ion is less than 1 into 10 to the power minus 7, then the solution is said to be basic in nature. So whether a solution, you have got the pH concept, if the pH value is 7, then the solution is neutral. If the pH value is less than 7, then it is said to be the acidic in nature, and if the pH value is more than 7, then it is called basic in nature. So you have got the pH scale. So from hydronium ion concept also, you can actually, pH mainly depends on the concentration of hydronium ion. Next topic I will give you the pH scale. So pH mainly depends on this hydronium ion. Based on the hydronium ion concentration, you can determine pH. So if the hydronium ion is 1 into 10 to the power minus 7, then the pH value will get 7, and that is why that type of solution is said to be neutral. And if the hydronium ion is greater than 1 into 10 to the power minus 7, then you will get the pH value less than 7, maybe 6, maybe 5, like that, and then the solution is said to be acidic in nature, and if the hydronium ion is less than 1 into 10 to the power minus 7, then the pH you will get more than 7. Ultimately the solution will be basic in nature. So whether a solution will be acidic, basic or neutral, it mainly depends on the concentration of hydronium ion. Always remember, if the hydronium ion concentration is 1 into 10 to the power minus 7, then the solution is said to be neutral. And if it is greater than 1 into 10 to the power minus 7, acidic, and less than 1 into 10 to the power minus 7, it is said to be the basic in nature. So this is about the ionic product of water, which is called Kw. And from Kw, you can find out the hydronium ion concentration like this. Now, I will give you the concept of pH. As you have got pH, and there is a scale which is called pH scale. So actually P means power, H means hydrogen, power of hydrogen or potence of hydrogen. Potence is a Greek word, so that's why pH means the potence of hydrogen, I mean power of hydrogen. Actually there is a scale of pH. The scale of pH is from your 0 to 14, and from that pH scale you can find out whether a solution is said to be acidic, basic or neutral. Now here you will get how to determine the pH. Numerically, how to determine the pH value. To find out that, there is a definition for pH. So it is a scale. It is a scale by which we can determine whether a solution is acidic, basic or neutral. Whether a solution is acidic, basic or neutral. pH is the, this is the definition, pH is the negative logarithm of, you know log table, negative logarithm of molar concentration of, I mean molarity, molar concentration of hydronium ion, molar concentration of hydronium ion. And if you want to write the equation for pH, pH is equal minus log of concentration of hydronium ion. Here the base of log is considered as 10. So before doing the numerical of pH, you should know how to check the log table. In your book, log table is available, and in exam also, if you want log table, then the log table will be supplied to you. So first time you should know how to check the log table. So that is why if you don't know, then you can ask your maths teacher. They will teach you how to check the log table. There are two tables, one is called log table, one is called anti-log table. Both the table you have to know how to check it. To do the pH, to determine the pH of a solution, you should know about the log table. Then you can find out the log value, and then you can find out the pH value. So pH mainly depends on the hydronium ion concentration, and the definition of pH is, it is the negative logarithm of molar concentration of hydronium ion. So as you know, square bracket represent concentration. There are different types of concentration like molarity, molality, normality. There are different types of concentration, but the concentration must be in molarity. If it is given in molality or normality, then you have to convert in molarity. Then that molarity value you can put here. So when you put the value of concentration of hydronium ion, after that putting the value of this, for example, concentration of hydronium ion is given 10 to the power minus 2 molar. If it is given like this, then you can put the value minus log of 10 to the power minus 2. This is the concentration of hydronium ion. So log of 10 to the power minus 2 value is minus 2. Minus minus become plus. Ultimately you will get the value 2. That means pH value you have determined 2. I mean the solution is said to be acidic in nature. So this is the process how to find out the pH value. So I will do some numerical based on pH. So in exam, if the definition of pH asks, then you have to write the definition of pH like this. pH is nothing. pH is the negative logarithm of molar concentration of hydronium ion. So it mainly depends on the concentration of hydronium ion. If you know hydronium ion, directly you can determine the pH. So in next class, I will give you the pH scale, how the pH scale is measured, and we'll do some numerical based on the pH. Thank you.